Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are here at Rise Skyline Apartments in Dallas, Texas. This is 200 units, and we purchased this deal in November of 2023. So coming up on 18 months here pretty soon. And as you can see, we've already completed the brand new 3-tone exterior paint, which really helps the curb appeal, the leasing activity. Brand new permanent monument sign with an LED backlight, which really looks cool at night, helps the curb appeal, get people into the door. We've completely renovated the leasing office and the clubhouse. Brand new landscaping. We completely renovated the fitness center at this asset, and we've now completed 58 of our interior renovations to our platinum level scope. Our average rental increase per unit has been $238 across the 58 units. So we're getting major premiums, really strong rental increases on these unit renovations, which then increases the value of the asset to get a good return for our investors. If you'd like to learn about how you can participate in opportunities like this in the future, then go to our website, set up a call with our team, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.